Students, this is 129th maths class. Let us solve simple questions. Find the angle between the pair of lines given by. It is so easy, students. Look at this. Clearly, the given line, this is line. The line, it is in the form R equals A plus lambda B. R is equal to A plus lambda B. So one more line, students. R equals A plus mu B. Look at this. Lines are given in the standard forms. R equals A plus lambda B. So R is equal to A plus mu B. You take this B as B1. You take B of first line. Vector B of first line as B1. You take vector B of second line as B2. Both of them are not same, right? B, right? So A1 plus lambda B1. This is in the form A2 plus mu B2. Now collect B1 and B2, students. Solution B1. Tell me B1, vector B1. How much is B1? I plus 2j plus 2k. Vector B1. Vector B2. Tell me B2, students. B2 3i plus 2j plus 6k. So right. B2 3i plus 2j plus 6k. So angle required. You know that vector formula. What is angle? A dot B by length of A into length of B. You write same formula. Cos theta. Tell me. So mod of B1 dot B2 by length of B1 into length of B2. Same formula has been, we have been using same formula from vector chapter. So mod, in vectors don't use mod. In 3-dimensional geometry you use mod, because in 3D we need acute angle. Acute angle means first quadrant angle. In first quadrant all angles are positive. That is the reason why we take mod for this, right? To get acute angle. Calculate B1, B2, length of B1, length of B2, substitute. You have solved so many problems of this type in vector chapter. So go for solving. B1 dot B1, B2. B1 dot B2. So tell me B1 dot B2. Dot product. I pakka 3, I pakka 1. 3 ones are 3. J pakka 2, 2 2s are 4. So K pakka 2, K pakka 6, 6 2s are 12. So 12 plus 4, 16 plus 3, 19. So 19. We got B1 dot B2. Find out length of B1. Length of B1. Root of I pakka square plus J pakka square. J pakka 2 square 4 plus K pakka square 4. Root 9 it is 3. Root 9 3. Length of B2. So length of B2. So tell me length of B2. Root of I pakka square 9. So J pakka square 4. K pakka square 36. 36 plus 4 49. So root 49. Root 49 is 7. So now substitute in that cos theta formula. Cos theta. So write B1 dot B2 19. How much is mod 19? 19 only. 19. So mod 19 by length of B1 3 into 7. Mod 19 is 19. 7 3s are 21. So write, tell me beta, students. Cos inverse 19 by 21. What is the angle between two lines? Cos inverse 19 by 21. So next go for that one more. Find the next to solve one more question. Find the angle between the pair of lines. Next question. Find the angle between the pair of lines. The pair of lines x plus 3 by 3 y minus 1 by 5 z plus 3 by 4 and x plus 1 by 1 is equal to y minus 4 by 1 is equal to z minus 5 by 2. Right? Angle between a pair of lines. Look at this, friends. Angle. Tell me cos theta formula. Cos theta is equal to mod b1 dot b2 by length of b1 into length of b2. Tell me b1, students. You collect b1 from first line, b2 from second line. Where b, vector b is available. Denominator a, b, c, ai plus bj plus ck. B's are available in the denominator. a, b, c. Tell me vector b1 then. Vector b1. So tell me vector b1. 3i plus 5j plus 4k. This is vector components of vector b. A, b, c. So we always take components of vector b as what? A, b, c. A, b, c means drs of vector b. A, b, c means drs of vector b. So right, you take vector b2. So b2, tell me b2. I plus j plus 2k. Now you calculate b1 dot b2. So b1 dot b2. So tell me that hypaka 3, hypaka 1, 3 ones are 3 plus jpaka 5, jpaka 1, 5 ones are 5 plus 4 twos are 8. So tell me that 8 plus 3, 11 plus 5, 16. Calculate length of b1. So root of hypaka square. So hypaka 3 square 9 plus jpaka square 25. Kpaka square 16. Tell me this total, students. 10, 20, 36 plus 5, 41. B1, 3 square 9, 5 square 25, 4 square 16. Correct? 4 square 16. So tell me this total. Root 50. Correct? Root 50. Length of B2. So length of B2. Use calculator. If you find it difficult, use calculator. Length of B2. Root of hypaka square 1 plus 4. Tell me this root 6. Substituting cos theta formula. Cos theta. B1 dot B2. So how much is B1 dot B2? 16. By length of B1, root 50 into root 6. So write 16 by root 50. Root 50 means 25 twos are. Root 50 means 25 twos are. So tell me root 25. 5 root 2. 5 root 2 into root 6. So 5 root 2 into right. So I think 16 by, we cannot cancel. 16 by root a into root b. Root ab, 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. So no, wait, students. We have to take much risk. Solve that easily. Don't take root a into root b. Root ab, 16 by, so root 300. Now it is easy. So root a into root b. Root ab, 6 5 is 300. Right. So 16. 100 into 3. 100 into 3. 100 into 3. How much is 100? Root 100. 10. Cos theta. 16 by root 100 is 10. Root 3. Correct? So you can divide both these two by 2. 2 8s are 2 5s are 8 by, tell me that, 5 root 3. 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10. Tell me theta, students. Finally, theta is equal to cos inverse 8 by 5 root 3. Perfect answer. So what is the angle between two lines? Cos inverse 8 by 5 root 3. Let us go for one more question. 5 root 3. Let us solve one more question. Find the angle between pair of lines. Find the angle between the pair of lines. Find the angle between the pair of lines. So R equals, vector R equals 2i minus 5j plus k plus lambda into pair of lines. R equals 2i minus 5j plus k plus lambda into 3i plus 2j plus 6k and R equals 7i minus 6k plus mu into I plus 2j plus 2k. So again it is so easy question. Solve that, students. Solve that easy question. So R equals a plus lambda b. I am getting b1. R equals a plus lambda b. I am getting b2. You take b1 and b2. To find out angle, vector b1 required, vector b2 required. Collect b1 and b2, write formula and simplify. So write. So tell me b1. So vector b1 3i plus 2j plus 6k. Vector b2 I plus 2j plus 2k. Cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta mod b1 dot b2 by length of b1 into length of b2. So calculate b1 dot b2 and substitute, students. b1 dot b2 I pakka 3 1s are 3, j pakka 2 2s are 4, k pakka 6 2s are 12 plus 4 16 plus 3 19. So I am getting say 19. Length of b1 so root of I pakka square 3 square 9 2 square 4 6 square 36 plus 4 49. Root 49 is 7. Length of b2 so root of I pakka square 1 j pakka square 4 root 9 is 3. Substitute. Cos theta. Tell me b1 dot b2. 19. Mod 19 is 19 only. So b1 7 3s are 7 into 3 19 by 21. Tell me theta. Cos inverse 19 by 21. Next question, students. Next question. Find the angle between pair of lines. Find the angle between pair of lines. Find the angle between pair of lines. So write first one x by 2 is equal to y by 2 is equal to z by 1 and x minus 5 by 4 equals y minus 2 by 1 is equal to z minus 3 by 8. Z minus 3 by 8. It's so easy question. Students, let them to write whatever they wish. Let them to write whatever they wish. For cos theta, we need vector b1 and vector b2. Tell me vector b1. Where that vector b1 is available? It is in the denominator. Vector b2, again it is in the denominator. Correct. So vector b1. Tell me vector b1. 2i plus 2j plus k. Vector b2, so 4i plus j plus 8k, right? Cos theta formula, cos theta, so mod b1 dot b2 by length of b1 into length of b2, substitute, calculate b1 dot b2, so b1 dot b2. So calculate b1 dot b2. I paka 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. J paka 2 plus 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 2 18. So find out length of the vector b. So length of the vector b. So length of the vector b1. So root of 2 square 4 plus 4 plus 1 root 9, it is 3. Length of b2 root of 4 square 16, 1 8 square 64 plus 16 plus 1. Tell me the total. 81. Correct. Root 81, it is 9. Substitute in that cos theta. So b1 dot b2. How much is b1 dot b2? 18. Mod 18 means 18 only. So write b1 3 9. So I think you could divide 9 2s are. So write how much it is? 2 by 3. Theta is equal to cos inverse 2 by 3. This is the angle between two lines. Let us solve one more question, students. One more question. Let us solve one more question. Let us solve one more question. Let us solve one more question. So write, find the, show that the lines, x minus 5 by 7 is equal to y plus 2 by minus 5 is equal to z by 1 and x by 1 is equal to y by 2 is equal to z by 3 are perpendicular to each other, are perpendicular to each other, perpendicular to each other, are perpendicular to each other. So look at this simple question, students. Tell me condition for perpendicular. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2. Where A1 B1 C1 are available? Here it is. A1 B1 C1 ABC. Denominator numbers are always ABC. A1 B1 C1. Take that solution. A1 7 B1 minus 5 C1 1 A2 1 B2 2 C2 3. Write that condition. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2. Substitute, students. How much is A1? 7 A2 1 B1 minus 5 B2 so 2 plus C1 1 C2 3. So that 7 1s are 7, 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 7 plus 3 10 minus 10. 10 minus 10, 0. Therefore, lines are perpendicular. Lines are perpendicular. Lines are perpendicular. Lines are perpendicular. Check the charging. Lines are perpendicular. So right. Okay, students. Let us stop this class. So right. Thank you. Another question.